Hello everyone, I'm Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today because I'm gonna show you how to create this really pretty swag for your door, for the back of your chair, or perhaps even for bridal work. It is super simple to make and very affordable. You will not believe how much I actually paid for this lavender. You'll be shocked. So if you want to see how this is done, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. If you're new to this channel, I really recommend you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future uploads. And if you already subscribed, turn the notification bell on twice so you're notified about every single upload. All right, let's get started. All right, you guys, the materials we're gonna need for this swag are a few pieces of greenery, and I have selected this really beautiful greenery from my local craft store. Then also I'm gonna use one of these bushels of lavender. This came from Walmart and it is $3, you guys. Walmart has a really great selection of florals and they are very affordable. I'm gonna use one 18 gauge wire as well as some florist tape. I'm gonna use one of my favorite hydrangeas for a focal point. This came also from my local craft store. I'm gonna use a variety of flowers that we're gonna put as a focal point. Of course, our trusty wire cutters, 2 zip ties, and one pipe cleaner to tie our bow with this really beautiful burlap ribbon. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put all of my florals to one side and all of my focal point on the other one. And what I wanna start by doing is I'm going to tape this 18 gauge wire. And if you guys haven't seen how we tape these wires, they sell them now taped. Actually, I saw them at Walmart while I was there. But you basically want to just spin, pull this tape and spin, because when you pull this tape, it really activates the stickiness to it. It's a paper wrapped wire that we're gonna use to hang our swag with. If you guys are enjoying this floral series, give this video a thumbs up. We've done so many videos on floral. We've done a basket, we've done a hanging basket, we've done some really beautiful centerpieces and other floral arrangements. All right, you guys, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to the side and lay down our greenery. So I want the longest piece to be going down, and then I'm gonna do a little piece going up right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wire that together with this wire right here. And the reason why I'm gonna do that is because I wanna do my hoop to hang on my door. So once I have it really tight, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and then spin around right here. And then what I'm gonna do with the tail right here is I'm going to go ahead and spin it around this hoop or loop. And that's what we're gonna use to attach to our door. So basically this is what it looks like, you guys. We have our greenery and a hoop on the back to attach it to our door hanger, so we can hang it on our door. This also would be really pretty for a chair, the back of a chair, or on a door, or for bridal work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of these guys right here. I'm gonna cut probably, let's see, I'm gonna cut 3 of them because I'm gonna use some to point up. So I want this to be the longest pieces, and I'm gonna separate them, of course letting the longest one be in the middle, and you wanna fluff them, that way you get more bang for your buck. I can believe this guy was only $3. Then I'm gonna do the same going up right here. I'm gonna do some more going down, but staggering them up. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this right here my core. So we're gonna zip tie everything right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay it down right now. All right, so far we have those. I'm gonna put some other ones going up. Right here is our core. Keep in mind that we're gonna zip tie everything right here. All right, so then the next thing I wanna do is I'm gonna add some of these really pretty cabbage roses, and I want them going down. So I'm gonna do that, the longest one. Then I'm gonna do one going up, like so. This is a super easy project. And then I'm gonna do yet another one right here, like so. And then I have another cabbage rose with a different color, just to kind of break down all the pink. And I think I want this to be like really long. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert it right about here. And remember, we're gonna zip tie all of this with a zip tie to put it in place. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick some of these really pretty tulips, and I'm gonna go ahead and touch right here. I want 2 on this side, and you can also stagger the lengths like that. And because I have some on the bottom, then I'm gonna put some going on the top, just to make sure that everything is very cohesive, like so. And then I'm gonna do a hydrangea with this really pretty greenery, and I'm gonna make sure that that's at my focal point on one side, because I want on the other side the bow. We're gonna make a burlap bow, like right here. And then to secure it all together, I'm gonna grab one of my very trusty zip ties, and I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom. Make sure that you get all of those stems, and then you're gonna squish and put that zip tie through. I really recommend you guys get some zip ties by the bunch. Just go ahead and pull as tight as you want, and as you pull, you want to make sure that you fluff your swag. All right, I'm gonna leave it right here for now because we're gonna put a bow right here. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna show you how I make a bow real quick. I have a video, if you guys don't know, on how to make 3 different styles of bows, and it's really fun to watch, so I really recommend. So I'm just gonna give it a really short tail because I don't want it to take away from all of it. So I'm gonna give it probably about 8 inches, and then I'm gonna pinch and make a little loop, and that will be the middle of it. And I'm gonna just probably do about 4 to 6 loops, but I want it to be smaller. I don't really want it to overpower the hydrangea because I want that hydrangea to be the focal point. So you basically spin around, you pinch, and you kind of measure about the same size on both sides, and then you're gonna pinch right here, and then you're gonna go ahead and fold. Like I mentioned before, I do have a video on how to make 3 different types of bows, a funky bow included, so I'm gonna link up that right now so you guys can check it out. So that's 4, so I think I'm gonna do 6. And I'm gonna show you guys a trick. If you do one longer than the other one, then we're gonna go back to it, and then we're going to cut it and make extra tails. So I'm gonna do this real quick just so I don't take your time, because like I mentioned, I do have that video. All right, so I'm gonna cut right here, and then what I'm gonna do with my pipe cleaner, I'm gonna drive it through the first loop right here, and then I'm going to go down, and then I'm gonna pull real tight, and we're gonna use the same zip tie to attach to our swag. Then you spin around, all right? And then remember I told you I had an extra big one right here. So what I do with that one is I cut it, and then I dovetail, and then you have 4 extra tails. These scissors are almost done, so mental note, get new scissors. All right, you guys. So there's that, and then I'm gonna dovetail also this guy as well as the other end, because if you've been following this channel, you know I hate nothing more than unfinished tails. All right, so once we have this bow, you want to go ahead and give it a fluff, separate those tails, bring the other one down so it can go down with it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to attach this to our little swag. So let me bring her back in here. Like I said, I want it on the other side of the hydrangea, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here, and just tie it with the pipe cleaner on the back, and then go ahead and fluff this bow going down. It is so cute and so pretty, and it's so affordable using Walmart flowers, you guys. Let me hang it on the door and show you what it looks like. As you guys can see, creating this beautiful swag for your door or for the back of a chair, or perhaps even for bridal work, it is super easy and affordable. You guys, this lavender was only $3 at Walmart. And like I told you before, I really recommend you go check out their selection before you go to the big craft stores, because they have some really good stems of floral for very affordable, as well as containers and all of your mechanics. I was just shocked to see how much the selection was. Anyways, this beautiful swag with a hydrangea and a beautiful tiny burlap bow is super sweet. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know if you are ready for more home decor videos and what you'd like to see next here on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.